Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax Greenville. I'm going to take you through our new 2020 MasterCraft NXT22. This bad boy is now equipped with the 6.0 liter motor for plenty of horsepower for wakeboard and surfing and cruising around the lake and carrying all your friends. We have the nice fiberglass sea-deck swim deck on the back of this boat. It's got the great step through and seat right here to sit on when you're putting your board together, just hanging out in the cove with a couple cup holders. It's got the folding tower with Klish tower speakers, swivel board racks, a little bit wider here so you can go wakeboard or surfboard, multiple different sizes. We got the nice 4-inch screen, and of course on the new NXTs this year, you have 3 presets for your surfing, which makes it just super easy, one touch, ready to go. The new phone holder here also, super awesome. USB hookup right there. Plenty of room in this boat. It's got the subwoofer down here on the floor for great sound. The nice, big, open, wide bow that MasterCraft does gives you tons of room. Got the cup holders up here. Got your speakers for music. This boat is so roomful. It's a 22-foot boat with tons of room. Getting out on the water with everybody, having a great time. Come and check out this beautiful MasterCraft NXT22 at MarineMax in Greenville. Come and check us out on MarineMaxGreenville.com or give us a call, 864-236-9005, or check us out at the end of this month, January 23rd through the 26th at the Upstate Boat Show, and come and check out our new lineups of all of our wonderful new MasterCrafts. Thank you.